Hi friends, this is Vijay here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good. And today the topic I am going to discuss about how we can debug IPSEC troubleshooting in a Cisco ASA firewall. Okay, so Cisco ASA firewall for IPSEC it's segregated into two phases. One is an ISAC MP phase and another is an IPSEC phase. Okay, so first let us understand. So we have issue in the phase 1 or phase 2. So prior to the debugging, so let us understand the setup. So I connected two firewall. So firewall 1 and 2, so both as an inside and the outside interface. So to the inside interface I connected a switch 1, and to the outside interface I connected to firewall 2. Similarly for firewall 2 and inside interface I connected Cisco switch 2 and outside it is connected to firewall 1, and also both are connected to the cloud for accessing the ASDM firewall. Okay, that's a graphical representation for a Cisco ASA firewall. Okay, so what are the commands for debug in IPsec troubleshooting in Cisco ASA is, so there are two commands you have to enable. First is debug IKE. This is for key exchange. Okay, debug IPsec IKE version 1, and another command is debug crypto, and another one is debug crypto IPsec. Okay, so these are the two commands you have to enable in both firewall 1 and 2. So let us enable it and let us go here. So like we debug crypto IKE version 1 and also debug crypto the second phase, that is the IPsec phase. So first we have to understand the problem whether we have issue in a first phase 1 or phase 2. Okay, so how we can identify the issues, just go to the firewall 1 and do show crypto ISAC MP SA. So also let us check from this end, firewall 2 show crypto ISAC MP SA. And also here we have to initiate a ping from this particular 1.2 to this IP is 2.2. So this IP is 2.2. Let us initiate a ping and let us understand. Okay, I'm just initiating ping to the remote IP, that is site 2 interface IP, that is 2.2, and here from here also I'm going to initiate a ping to this particular IP, remote IP. Okay, so let us go here 1.2, and now you can see the flows. There is showing information exchange processing failed on both the iOS firewall 1 and firewall 2. So the second step what we have to do is let us initiate a show crypto ISAC MP. This is for checking the phase 1. Okay, so you're able to see wait message to main mode wait message to. What does it mean is, in case of IPsec, the source we called as an initiator and destination we called as a responder. So it is first initially it will set the ISAC MP algorithm to remote end, and in case it is not receiving any response from the remote end, it will go to this particular message. Okay, wait message to, that is it is not getting any response from the peer end. That is the reason we are seeing. So now we have to go to the individual firewall and we have to see the debug the ISAC can be phase 1. So first we have to check the IKE policies. So that is the first and foremost step we have to check. That is the reason I couldn't ping from 1.2 to 2.2. This IP is 2.2. So let us go ahead and debug. So I'm going to let us go to the view and the device list. Okay, so go to view device list, and there are two devices I already told. One is 84.35 and this is 84.36. So first troubleshooting, we have to configure we have to check the IKE policies. So just click the site to site VPN and go to advanced and just click the IKE policies for the first firewall 84. So like this is for 84.36. Let us go to the first firewall. Okay, just save it. So this is the especially the command we are getting is wait message to. So this is the error we'll normally get in the phase 1. Okay, phase 1, if there is an issue in the ISAC MP policies, normally we'll get this message. Or if there is any disable, if the ISAC MP policy remote end is disabled, or if it is down, or if there is a peer end or is a gateway IP issue, then also we'll get the message. So first let us debug the first IK policy message. Okay, I went into 84.35 and just click advanced tab and go to the IKE policies. Always I have told you, so for that ISAC MP policy, both the policy should remain one and the same for both firewall 1 and 2. So if there is a mismatch in the policy, the remote end will not respond, right? The peer end will not respond. That is the reason we are getting this particular wait message to. Okay, let us go to the first IKE policy and let us double click. So here the encryption authentication is pre-share encryption is AES advanced encryption 256, defilement group is 2, and hash algorithm is SHA. Similar way, let us go to the second firewall. Okay, so this is 256 and SHA. Let us go to the second firewall and let us check the algorithm. So here the encryption is 192, right? So there is a difference in the encryption parameters between the source and the destination ASA. So that is the reason for this particular thing. That is the reason the remote peer is not responding. So always both the end the policies always should remain one and the same. Otherwise we will get such message. Okay, this is a one sort of troubleshooting. So let us go to the second firewall and let us change it to 256 and just click OK and just apply the configuration. And now let us, so now I applied the configuration, like, so I change to 256. So the even the advanced encryption is 256 is from firewall 1, and here also it should be 256. Okay, so we have changed the configuration. Now let us initiate a ping. Okay, okay, I'm able to ping now. It went to 2.2, I'm able to reach. And also let us check from Cisco 2 also, 1.2 also I'm able to ping. So I'm able to ping between these two particular Cisco switch 1, I'm able to ping to Cisco switch 2, and from here also side 2, I'm able to ping the inside interface. So that means it is working fine. So now let us check the status. So it went into active main mode, active mode. So previously it is in wait messages, since the peer is not responding, right? The policy is not mismatching. So now we have identified the issue. So now it went into active. So now the second phase 2 we have to check. So crypto IPSEC SA. So phase 2 also you have to check the encapsulation parameters, packet encapsulation, encrypt and decrypt. So you have to see the values. Okay, so that means the IPsec is working fine. This is one sort of troubleshooting. So now let us go to the second scenario. So there are several possibilities. If there is a policy mismatch, or if the ISA-CMP phase 1 is disabled on this firewall 2 also, it will go to the message. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to this particular firewall 2 and I'm going to disable this ISA-CMP policy. Let us go here. So we are already in the second firewall, that is 84.36. Okay, this is the second firewall, and let us go here and let us go to the connection profiles and let us disable this allow IK version works. I'm just disabling the ISA-CMP policy for the second firewall and just like click apply. And now let us initiate a ping from Cisco switch 1 to switch 2, and also from here to switch 1. Okay, so both the peers I'm pinging. So now let us check the parameters. You are able to see, right? No active outbound encrypt, and also from here also you're able to see there is a issue. Okay, session is being turned on, reason is showing as unknown. So now let us do the show crypto ISA-CMP SA. So there is no SA, and also let us check from here. Show crypto ISA-CMP SA. So here also not seeing. Now let us do a ping. Let us do a ping and let us now check. So you're able to see again it went into wait message 2. So first thing, there is a mismatch in the policies. So that is the reason it went into wait message 2. Second thing, I have disabled on the remote end, right? I have disabled on the remote end, and this we are getting this wait message 2, right? So there are several possible reasons also. It will go to wait message 2. Always first and foremost thing, first check for the phase 1 policy. So then go to the troubleshooting for the phase 2. That is the IPSEC. IPSEC is a phase 2. So first we are having issues in the phase 1. That is the reason for this particular message, right? So now let us fix this particular thing. Just enable this on this. Always you have to enable this access on outside interface. Just click apply and just do a ping. Do a ping from the source to the destination and also from the destination to the source. I'm able to ping. Now let us check the policy. So now it went into active mode, and also we can see the IPsec. So we're able to see, right? So this is that is also another thing we can check. We can again disable this and let us see. Just click I apply. Okay, just I'm applying the configuration and let us do a ping. Just I'm pinging from the source to destination and destination to source, and now let us check the policy. So now let us do a ping again. So it went into wait message 2. So let us do the second policy also. Let us check. So there will be no IPSEC phase 2 policy. Why? Because we already have the issue in the phase 1. So it will not go to the second phase because the phase 1 should be cleared, right? So the phase 1 algorithm should remain same on the firewall 1 and 2. If there is a mismatch in the phase 1, you can't see the phase 2 also. So that is the purpose of this troubleshooting. Let us now enable this. Just click apply, and now we are good actually. Okay, so now I'm able to ping. So this is how we can do the debug IPsec troubleshooting in a Cisco ASA firewall. So this is one of the messages for phase 1, that is the wait message 2. So the first command is, so the things you have to keep it in mind for debugging, you have to do debug crypto IPsec and debug crypto IK version 1. That is a command for debugging. And for checking the status, you have to do show crypto ISAC MPSA and all show crypto IPsec. That is for the second phase, right? I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thanks and have a wonderful day. Thank you.